Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Figma design. Let's create Gauge Dashboard design in Figma, online vector graphic editor and prototyping tool. Draw background circle 800 by 800 dimensions. Change the fill color to white and go to Effects, Apply Drop Shadow. Right-click, Lock Selection. Draw circle with 700 by 700 dimensions and inner circle with 350 by 350 dimensions. Align vertically and horizontally center. Select both and subtract. Select half bottom portion by using rectangle. Select both the objects and subtract, as shown in the scene. Select left and right corner tips. Using pen tool, select both the object and subtract. Copy and paste here. Change the top gauge color from the swatches. Draw inner circle 100 by 100 dimensions using ellipse. Select top colored gauge using pen tool. Select both the objects and subtract. Draw indicator handle using pen tool, press shortcut key equals P. Apply fill color and merge the indicator handle and inner gauge wheel. Entering statistical data percentage using Type tool. I am using font family, Ubuntu. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.